Hi, I'm Mike Pigg, the National Safety Director with Outward Bound USA. We are extremely excited to have students back in the field at this time, running our wilderness expeditions with enhanced COVID-19 practices in place. I, along with a team of Outward Bound instructors and staff and other industry experts, have been working diligently to design a system to run our wilderness expeditions. A system of robust safety practices that can be co-managed by our staff, the students themselves and their families. This video is created for you with our prospective students and families in mind. Watch and listen as we walk you through the field practices that will help you and your future crewmates mitigate COVID-19 on course and allow you to pursue your life-changing and unforgettable Outward Bound experience.
The moment you decide to go outward bound, you're tasked with responsibilities that impact not only yourself, but also your crew. As a crew member, we ask that you begin taking the necessary precautions to mitigate risks associated with COVID-19 now. Prior to your arrival, you may be asked to quarantine. In this instance, your course advisor will reach out with more information. You may be required to travel to your course by private transportation. To check the expectations for your course, contact your course advisor. No matter how you get to course, we ask that you take these necessary steps in order to mitigate your exposure. Minimize stops along the way. Bring all needed supplies with you. Wear a mask in public places. Wash and sanitize your hands frequently. Upon your arrival to base camp or your designated meeting location, you will be assessed for COVID-19 symptoms. Dependent on your course location, you may be tested for COVID-19 during the first few days of your course. For the first 14 days of an expedition, or until there is sufficient evidence no crew member has COVID-19, you will be responsible to keep social distance while on course. This looks like keeping 6 feet apart from your fellow crewmates and others when possible, and wearing a mask when not possible. Instructors will do their part to remind you when masks should be worn and create properly distanced learning environments while maintaining a high level of fun and engagement. When your crew engages in activities such as rock climbing or other expedition practicum that require hands-on instruction or support, masks will be worn and hands and gear sanitized. In addition to proper distancing and mask wearing, you will record a daily symptoms log and monitor for any COVID-19 symptoms. This may include taking a daily temperature reading. Depending on the environment you're camping in, sleeping arrangements will vary, allowing for more space between individuals. Some courses will have single-person shelters, and some will spread the group out within larger shelters. Throughout the expedition, staff and students maintain a high standard of hygiene through diligent hand washing and sanitizing. We recommend all students pack their own personal sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol and lotion to use while on course. When you need to cough or sneeze, step away from others and do so into the crook of your arm or shoulder, washing or sanitizing your hands afterwards. While preparing food on course, health practices such as wearing gloves and a mask may be required. All students will use their own utensils and dining kit, either brought from home or received from the school, not to be shared with others. These practices, along with the nature of our remote expedition locations, allow crews to become a family unit after a projected time with no COVID symptoms or presumed positive cases. This allows groups to operate under less restrictive measures with very reduced risk of exposure and, of course, more high fives and closer circle-ups. Before you know it, these practices will have become second nature. You will have done everything on your course that all of our students experience. All the challenge, all the successes, failures, and growth. You will grow bonds with your crew as you learn how to both lead and support your team. You will gain technical skills and understand the true value of service. You will have conquered fears, stepped out of your comfort zone, and practiced empathy for yourself and others. You will have gone outward bound and returned equipped with skills for life.